Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Gunter from Sing, so let's get started. To draw this cute German pig, let's first start by drawing his snout. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big oval. A nice big curve at the top, and I'm going to round off the sides and connect at the bottom of another curve. There. And then I'm going to come inside and draw two ovals, so about right here. One right here and another one. And now that I have his nose in, let's go ahead and draw his eyes. So about right here in this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle. Then come right across right here and draw another circle. From there, let's go inside and draw another circle. And this time, I'm going to shade it in and give it a little highlight. Right there, and same thing here. Or maybe no highlight, let's see. I'm just going to shade it all in. Okay, so then from there, let's give him a big smile. So right underneath his nose, about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve, and then I'm going to go up. So nice and high. Bring this big smile all the way up to about right here, and then cap it all with another curve. There. Okay, now that we have that in, let's go ahead on the top, and I'm just going to come up nice and a little bit higher, and I'm just going to draw two curves down for his brow area. From there, let's go ahead and start to frame his face in. So I'm going to come to the top of his eye. Let's come out, say about right here, and I'll just give myself a point, and same thing on this side. Say about right here. And then from there, I'm just going to basically draw a dome up over his head. So go above his brow area and about right here towards the center, round it off and come right back down. So just drawing this little dome area. Then from there, I'm going to start to dip in a little bit. So just right here, dip in, kind of where his eye is, and then we're going to come out. So same thing here, dip in where his eyes are and then come out. So it's kind of like drawing a big, really fat pear at the bottom. Then from there, we're just going to bring this all the way down, past his mouth. And let's go ahead and bring this down now to about right here. Give a big chin. And then about right there, I'm going to bring it in towards the center. So come right here, and I'm going to curve in. And as I come to the center, I'm going to dip in a little bit and go back up. There. From there, let's go ahead and draw his ears. So in this area right about here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve that comes down. And I'm going to use this little dip in his face for his ear. So I'm going to come right back here, and we're going to give a little wobble right there, curve, and out. So same thing on this side. A little bit easier for you to see. So I'm just going to go ahead and curve down and use that little dip in his face. And then right here, just give a little wobble, come out, and just like the other side, give a little curve and in. Then from there, now that we're done with his head, let's go ahead and draw his cute outfit. So we have this little center right here. We're going to come right back about in this area. I'm going to give it a little curve. See, he has this little jacket with a hood on. So I'm going to bring this right into the center. And same thing here. Then from there, we're going to start to draw his body. So nice and wide. So let's come out right here. Give it a slight curve, and a slight curve. Then we're going to, let's come about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point, nice and wide on the sides. So right about here. And this is where his armpits are going to start. So I'm going to go out and out. And I'm just going to go ahead, since I'm here, I'm just going to connect this for his jacket. And let's bring this out nice and wide. And then about right here, I'll bring it in. From there, I'm going to go ahead and connect right across. Just a slight curve all the way across. And then let's come in here. We're going to draw another layer. Come in about right here and here. And just follow your top curve. There. And then let's come back in for some details. So let's draw this little center zip area. And some straps right here. Some pockets on the side. And here as well. There. Then let's draw his pants. I'm going to come straight down to say about right here. And that being my center, I'm going to go ahead and just draw this wide curve right at the bottom. And then about right here, and go ahead and curve out. And let's come right back into this area. And we're going to start to draw his legs. So we're going to curve in. And it's going to get a lot thinner as we come down. So bring this curve down a little bit more. About right there. Then bring this in. And about right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect. So short little legs. So same thing over here. Curve this down. Bring this in. And connect. Then I'm just going to draw these little feet. And connect. So same thing here. There's little shoes. There, so silly, right? And then I'm going to add another little crease here, if you like. And now for his arms. So let's bring this to the side. And curve it in to about right there. And I'll give it a little cuff as well. And then his hands. So curve down. And just 2 points right there. So same thing on the other side. Go right here. Curve in. And about right here, I'm going to dip in, give it a little cuff, and then his hands. There. And that is pretty much it for the general stuff. Let's come in here with some details for his jacket. So I'll just come in here very lightly. Just draw some lines all the way across. I haven't seen the movie yet, so I did see part 1. I haven't seen part 2 yet, so please let me know in the comments below if you love the movie. And I'm going to come in here and just draw some very simple pineapples. So I'll just draw a big oval. If you liked it as much as the first one. And I'll draw one more here. I definitely did love the first movie, so I really hope the second one is just as good. Maybe one here, maybe one going this way. Tuck in one over here. And one more. Maybe give this one a stem as well. There, and now let's add a heart. Of course, right? Just like I did for Mina. And we're all done. I really hope you love how Gunter the German pig turned out and that I've helped you draw him fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.